like 30 seconds. Tell him I suggested he does. There's nothing bad that can come from that.
Yeah. Well, I just think he feels like crap, so he just wants to go sleep. It's one of those I don't even feel good enough to go to the emergency room things.
But he's gonna feel like that longer.
Yes. I know. I'm gonna try really hard to talk him into it.
And I mean, if he needs to go lay down for a little bit and go later, that's fine. But
I'll let you know what's up though if I go.